Yeah, we've got a wet morning underway. That rain spread in overnight and it is still falling. So get ready if you are working today or if you're just out and about. You're going to run into wet pavement and some pretty hefty shots of rain. A lot of the heavier stuff has now moved into our eastern counties. That's what blew through here earlier this morning. So you've got moderate to heavy rain out across Moorhead and down through Campton, just getting into eastern Kentucky, McKee down in Jackson County. And then back to the west, those showers on the move as they cruise through here. So the heavier, more widespread stuff is backed off, but we're still going to have hit or miss showers as we go through the morning. And it's just a really dreary day. We've had 7/10 of an inch of rain here in Winchester via the Kentucky Mesonet. The amounts are a little lower in eastern Kentucky. Of course, that rain just getting to you, the more substantial stuff. So your numbers will climb. So pretty good soaking. That front is through. The rain pretty much wraps up later on today over our eastern counties. And then this evening, the clouds break. So tomorrow we should be set up for a return to some sunshine and drier weather. So no worries. Tomorrow, Friday, into the weekend, there's a cold front coming in, likely be a dry frontal passage. That passes through fairly uneventfully and high pressure ridging in behind it. So we're in pretty good shape again later in the week. This is what it looks like from atop the Lexington Financial Center, though that's as dreary as it gets. We've got the winds that are kicking over to the northwest as the front goes through that are going to usher in that cooler air. And you've got visibility problems, low clouds, rain, some fog around, so watch out for that on the road. So temperatures, we've already hit our high for the day, which is in the mid 60s. We have dropped to the upper 50s now. Just within the past couple of hours, we've gone from the mid 60s to the upper 50s. There is a frontal boundary pushing through. It's still in the 60s east and then mid 50s out west towards E-Town. And you can say goodbye to that. Those upper 70s, 3 days in a row, Lexington had record highs. There you can see the temperature dropping through the rest of the afternoon through the mid 50s and then eventually into the low 40s, potentially even upper 30s tomorrow morning. So there'll be some colder air that we've got to contend with. And it is on the move. Of course, there's really cold stuff out west. This is going to moderate a bit, but a significant shift when you consider those record highs for 3 days running. And now we're pretty much back to around our average high. So we'll have another bubble of a little bit of warmth late in the weekend, nothing like what we just went through, but it does hit. And then into the middle of next week, another round of even chillier air below normal temperatures. There you can see that departure from normal is getting around Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. So some ups and downs heading our way. Speaking of ups and downs and all around, Tropical Storm Eta still hanging on. That's Tampa. It's off the Florida coast. It is strengthening a bit. And the winds are up to 70 miles per hour. So they've got a hurricane watch out, Tampa, and then running north and south down through Sarasota, that Gulf Coast of Florida, in for a potential hit from it. They do briefly bring it up to a Category 1 and then take it across North Florida, Jacksonville, and then eventually out to sea. So a lot of the moisture from that should bypass us to the south. But for folks down around Florida, they haven't really seen a whole lot of activity so far this year. The Gulf Coast back through New Orleans and farther west has really borne the brunt of a lot of it. They're in for some active weather. Temperatures falling. Our showers for your Veterans Day gradually wrap up late today. So tomorrow, Friday, great for the Cats playing Saturday. That noon game, the showers should hold off until late in the weekend.